I'm Dr. Andrew King from Exeter University, and I am working on the AARC Sea Trout project, which is an Interreg-funded collaboration between research groups in Portugal, Spain, France, Ireland, and ourselves in Exeter, along with our partners, the West Country Rivers Trust. With species such as sea trout, we can do a lot by protecting the rivers, making the rivers cleaner and better habitat for the fish. But because a proportion of that population goes to sea every year, we can't ignore what's happening at sea. We are trying to look at conservation and management of sea trout populations in southern Britain by using genetic techniques to fingerprint the native resident brown trout population. We will use the same markers on the sea trout that we get from marine and estuarine environments and try to determine which rivers in southern Britain that those sea trout have come from. The Environment Agency and the West Country Rivers Trust have collected fin clip samples from resident brown trout populations from many of the rivers in southern Britain. I then extract DNA from those fin clips, screen the DNA with a set of genetic markers so that I can build up a baseline for the brown trout populations in each of those rivers. So it's like a genetic fingerprint for the river. The preliminary analysis on fish, on sea trout caught in the marine environment shows that in many areas those fish are coming from several different rivers. They're usually the rivers that are geographically close to where that particular fish was caught. But in some cases we're finding that fish may be travelling quite long distances away from their natal river. So for instance, we've had a couple of fish caught in the Chesil Beach area, which we think have come from rivers in southern Cornwall. Using our techniques, we can identify brown trout populations that may be in need of special conservation measures. We can also identify rivers that are genetically unique, and we hope that the results from our project will help inform the debate on the designation of marine protected areas. But there's no consideration being given to the presence of endangered stocks of sea trout in a particular area, and it is our hope that using the information from the AARC project that we can help inform the debate on the designation of marine protected areas to include consideration of the presence of sea trout stocks.